Welcome back to the latest tutorial for CASA RPL PPL students. In episode 3, we continue tackling glide speed and lift drag ratio, building on the last tutorial to shed some light on this pretty tricky concept.
Flight mechanics. Let's look at an example to see how this works in practice. You're flying at 3,000 feet above the ground in no wind conditions when your engine fails. Your aircraft's best glide ratio is 8 to 1. The nearest aerodrome is 4 nautical miles away. Is your aircraft's glide ratio sufficient to reach the aerodrome safely? Select the button to see if you can make it. Glide distance is calculated by multiplying the lift-to-drag ratio by the aircraft's altitude. In this example, with an 8 to 1 glide ratio from 3,000 feet, the glide distance is 24,000 feet. Next, we need to convert feet to nautical miles. Since 1 nautical mile is approximately 6,076 feet, 24,000 feet converts to about 3.95 nautical miles. Because the aerodrome is 4 nautical miles away, you would not be able to reach it under these conditions.